Your profile picture should be something that's easy to recognise and unique to your pub. Ideally, this should be your distinctive logo. But you could also use a high quality image of your pub's exterior if it's recognisable enough. The cover photo is the long landscape photo along the top of your Facebook page. This should capture the essence of your pub. So think a busy beer garden in summer, or a cosy fireside scene in the winter, or a lively quiz night, or perhaps some of your dishes. Let's take a look at some great examples. The Beckford Arms uses a beautiful logo. It's completely specific to them, their coat of arms. And of course, that is the logo that's also on their signage and on their website. You'll also notice their cover image is a photo of the external shot of the pub. The Ostrich in Bristol is using a pretty unique logo there. It's eye-catching and memorable for sure. They've also got the text at the top of the logo, which says the Ostrich Pub and Dining. So we've got a really good idea exactly what they offer. And the High Corner Inn uses a classic logo, again showcasing exactly what they offer with the words pub and rooms, and then using the cover image to showcase their entrance. Update your cover photo regularly to reflect any seasonal changes, any special events or promotions happening at your pub. For example, you could switch to a festive cover image during the holiday season. However, your profile photo should remain the same unless you rebrand your pub. Changing your cover image in line with the season is a great idea. So you could upload something Christmassy in December, or perhaps something that shows off the change in seasons, like this example of an autumnal shot at the Bell at Sapperton. Also, do take a look at their About section, which has a keyword-rich description of the pub, which is fantastic for discovery on Facebook because these words are picked up by Facebook search. Your bio, also known as your About section, should be brief but informative. Mention what makes your pub special, whether it's your food, your beer selection, your family-friendly atmosphere, your beer garden, or live music events. Include your location, your opening hours, and a link to your website or online booking system, if applicable. So as you can see, it need only be a sentence or two in your description. So think about also including some personality, like here, hidden amongst the trees, and don't drive too quick or you'll miss us. But also those all-important keywords, your address, your phone number, your contact email, and your website. Tell your pub story in a way that connects with your audience. For example, you might want to talk about your pub's history, how long it's been part of the local community, or any unique features like being dog friendly or offering live music. The key is to make it personal and relatable. In this example, the lockkeeper describes exactly where they are with some descriptive words like a short drive from Bristol and Bath and a short walk from Keynsham train station. They also include some lovely descriptive words around huge beer gardens, stunning riverside locations, and freshly prepared British seasonal food. So make your story engaging by using lots of this descriptive language so people can get a really good feel for what your pub's about.